Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Salvador Reyna Joyce Clerigo. I am 28 years old. My height is 155 centimeter. My weight is 60 kilogram. I don't have a medication or maintenance. I do not have a serious illness or disease. I do not have a tattoo. I am single. I have 3 children. I am a college graduate, BS in Criminology. I do not have a NC2 but I have experience working as maid here in our country. I do not have experience as domestic helper in Hong Kong. My duties are taking care of 8 years old child, disabled elderly, take care of pets and dog. I do household work, house cleaning, cooking, laundry, car washing, gardening, driving, motorcycle. I am willing to take care of 1-year-old and above, healthy, disabled, elderly. I am willing to share job with another Filipino helper. I am willing to share room with other family members or another helper. Willing to serve without own servant room. I can also sing a lullaby or nursery rhyme song for the baby or kids like Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. I hope you will hire me, sir and ma'am. Thank you.